May we now invite our school principal, Mrs. Preeti George, to present the school annual report. Ma'am, please.
Most distinguished guest of the day, Reverend Dr. Roy Palati CMI, Spiritual Director, Shalom Media and Faculty of Philosophy, Christ University, Bangalore, Reverend Father Paul Nedamchalil CMI, School Manager and Prior of St. Anthony's Monastery, School Director, Reverend Father Anthony Madanakad CMI, School Administrator, Reverend Father Tosi Nikatil CMI, Kindergarten Headmistress, Mrs. Julie Chako, School Captain, Aditya A. Chulikar, Vice Captain, Isabella Vijoy, dignitaries, distinguished guests of the religious fraternity, parents, members of the teaching and non-teaching staff, students, and all our well-wishers. Good evening to one and all. As we come together at this wonderful eve of Chrysalis, our annual day celebration, we begin by thanking the Almighty for His abundant grace, guidance, and protection throughout the year. It is by His blessings that we were able to navigate challenges, celebrate achievements, and continue our journey of growth and learning with faith, hope, and resilience. We express our sincere gratitude to the management for their constant support, visionary leadership, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Their guidance, encouragement, and trust have been the foundation upon which all our initiatives and accomplishments stand. The year 2025-26 marks a monumental milestone, 2 centuries of CMI excellence in the service of education. As we celebrate 200 years of excellence, this academic year serves as both a tribute to our glorious past and a foundation for the centuries yet to come. As part of this remarkable milestone, our management organized a warm and memorable family gathering for the entire staff of this institution. Our provincial Reverend Father Benin Alcara CMI was the guest of honor for the event. Teachers and staff who have completed 15 years of dedicated service at the institution were honored during the celebration. The entire event reflected the institution's strong values and sense of community, bringing the CMI family together in growth and joy. We commence the academic year with a wave of pride as our board examination results were announced. It is an honor to share the stellar achievements of our students, whose hard work has set a new benchmark for excellence. The school presented its 78 students of class 10 for ICSE board examination and 44 students of class 12 for ISC board examination 2025. We are very glad to report that 47 of our students scored 90% and above for class 10 board examination and 20 of our students scored 90% and above in class 12 board examination. The school topper of class 12 is Christina Susan Abraham with 98.5% from the science stream, and Emmy Dixon with 96.5% from the commerce stream. The school topper of class 10 from the science stream is Aisha Abdul Latif with 98.4%, and Neville Joseph from the commerce stream with 97.6%. A perfect 100 in class 10 was scored by 12 students in history, 7 students in biology, 3 students in computer applications, 3 students in art, 2 students in physical education, and 1 student each in chemistry, English 2, and commerce. In class 12, we have 1 student each in computer science, physical education, and art with a perfect 100 score. We are proud to announce that 9 of our class 10 students and 3 of our class 12 students have received merit certificate from the CISCE for being the top scorers at the national level. Congratulations to all the achievers. This year, the school will be presenting 82 students of class 10 and 56 students of class 12 for the board examination 2026. We humbly request your prayers and blessings for our dear students. With deep appreciation, we thank each and every member who has contributed to making this academic year meaningful and successful. We place on record our heartfelt appreciation for our dedicated teachers who are the true architects of this institution. Their passion for teaching, tireless efforts, patience, and care have nurtured young minds and shaped not only academic success but character and values. Our sincere thanks to the office staff for their efficiency, cooperation, and behind-the-scene work that ensures the smooth functioning of the school. Their professionalism, attention to detail, and readiness to assist at all times are deeply valued. We also acknowledge with gratitude the hard work of our support staff. Their dedication, sincerity, and commitment create a safe, clean, and welcoming environment for everyone in the school community. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our parent community for the unwavering support and trust in the school. We deeply value the strong partnership which continues to inspire us to strive for excellence in all that we do. Dear students, you are the heart of our school. As you continue your journey of learning, may you remain curious, courageous, and compassionate. Believe in your abilities, embrace challenges as opportunities, and remember that every effort you make today shapes the leader you will become tomorrow. Let your dreams be bold, your values strong, and your actions guided by integrity and kindness. Behind every great achievement is a story of dedication and passion. To bring those achievements into the spotlight and walk us through the vibrant tapestry of events, I now invite Steve Jacob Schoen and Anika Mariam Abraham to present the chronicles of the academic year 2025-26. I conclude with the following lines: a year of milestone, a journey of grace, reflected in smiles on every young face. With gratitude for the heights we have scaled, we look to the horizon where new dreams are sailed. Thank you.
Annual Report 2025-26. Deekshana 2025 School Reopening. The academic year 2025-26 was ushered in with joy and enthusiasm, with a formal welcome extended to the school community on 2nd June. Deekshana, the school initiation ceremony, was held on 4th June. Students of grade 1 joined in and the new teachers were inducted into the school the same day. School activities, Director's Feast Day and Manager's Day.
The feast day of the director, Reverend Father Anthony Madavinakat CMI, and the birthday of school manager, Reverend Father Paul Nedumcharal CMI, were celebrated on 18th June. The members of the staff organized a get-together to offer felicitations to both the celebrants. Reading Day.
Reading Day was observed on 19 June with a host of activities to mark the day. As part of Reading Day, Dear Time, Drop Everything and Read was observed to encourage dedicated reading among students. International Yoga Day.
International Yoga Day was observed on 20th June. A special assembly was held by the students of grade 6 in association with the event. Invest Teacher Ceremony.
The Student Council election was a 2-day exercise that involved campaigning, election, and counting. The investiture ceremony was held on 24 June. The chief guest of the day, Captain Anoop Jose, honored the new office bearers with badges and sashes. Curiosity Carnival.
Students of classes 3 and 4 organized a fun-filled Curiosity Carnival on July 2nd for the young learners. It provided the students a joyous and fun-filled learning experience. Directors' Day.
Directors' Day was celebrated on 4th July. Students of grade 7 performed a cultural program. The members of the staff hosted a lively get-together in his honor the same day. Leadership Camp.
Ignite 2025. A leadership camp was organized on 4th and 5th July for the student council members at Ailey Hills, Alua. A variety of enriching leadership training activities were the highlights of the camp. Jeevas Clubs.
Aimed at identifying and developing the various skills of our students beyond their curriculum, 7 clubs were inaugurated on 7th July. The clubs include Nurture Nest, the Nature Club, True Care, the Health and Safety Club, Oratorical Club, Heritage Club, Quiz Club, Young Innovators Club, and Happiness Club. Pratiksha.
The annual literary and cultural fest of our school, Pratiksha, was held on 18th and 19th of July. Renowned devotional singer and a member of faculty, St. Teresa's High School, Manappuram, Reverend Father Vipin Kurushatara CMI, was the chief guest at the event. Principal's Day.
The birthday of our principal, Mrs. Preeti George, was celebrated with a special assembly by the students of grade 5 and a formal get-together by the members of the staff on 29 July. Independence Day.
The 79th Independence Day was commemorated on 14th August with a special assembly replete with a cultural segment hosted by grade 11. Sravaniga 2025.
The students of grade 3 and 4 put up a vibrant and colorful pageantry, Sravanika, on 27th August to mark the harvest festival Onam. Reverend Father Dr. Charian Kunyan Thodutha CMI was the honored guest on the occasion. Teachers' Day.
The students bestowed their love and respect on their teachers at a special event hosted by grades 10 and 12 on 9th September as part of Teachers' Day. Provincials Visit.
Reverend Father Benny Nalkra CMI, Provincial, Sacred Heart Province, Kochi, was accorded a cordial welcome by the members of the staff on his visit to our school on 23rd September. Administrator's Birthday.
The birthday of our administrator, Reverend Father Tosi Nikarjan CMI, was celebrated on 18th October. The members of the staff hosted a lively get-together in his honor the same day. Sports Day.
The 15th annual sports meet was conducted on 7th November. Dr. Prince K. Mattam, FIBA Commissioner, Vice President of Kerala Olympic Association, was the chief guest on the occasion. Our students put up a vibrant display of martial arts, yoga, and aerobics. Art Exhibition.
Jeeva Varnam, the art exhibition, was organized on 14th and 15th November. The exhibition served as a platform to highlight the artistic abilities of the students. Charity Drives, Karunya Jeevas.
The social service wing of the Jeevasians, Karunya Jeevas, was inaugurated on 18 July. The charity initiatives included various enterprising activities like food courts and fairs organized during Pratiksha and on Sports Day. Christmas kits comprising essential commodities were distributed to over 100 deserving families on 16th December. Christmas celebration.
The spirit of Christmas pervaded the Jeevas air with celebrations on 17th and 18th December 2025.
Farewell.
The farewell of grade 12 students was conducted on 17th December 2025. Extracurricular activities.
Besides yoga classes, Coaching in basketball, throwball, and badminton also form part of the Jeeves curriculum for grades 4 to 8. The students are also offered classes in French as well as in other domains such as martial arts, dance, art, vocal and instrumental music. Inter-school achievements.
Fresco, organized by Rajagiri Krishna Jayanti Public School. Our school won the 3rd prize in group dance and poster designing and a consolation prize for strokes.
Vista, organized by Rajgiri Public School. Our students secured the first prize in paper palette and the second prize in texturography.
Fabula, organized by Rajagiri High Secondary School. Our students secured the 3rd position in art palette painting competition. ASIC competitions.
Our students secured the second position in the regional level in Elocution English Category 3 held at KE School, Mannanam. Our students participated in the zonal level ASIC competitions held at MA International School, Kodamangalam and secured A grade in Action Song English, Pick and Talk, Storytelling English, Rhyme English and Recitation Malayalam in categories 1 and 2. Our students also won the first prize in Elocution English and the second prize in Light Music Malayalam in category 3. First prize in Light Music Malayalam and Hindi recitation. Second prize in Light Music English in category 4. First prize in Light Music English. Third prize in Light Music Malayalam and Malayalam Extempore in category 5. Sports achievements.
Seren Sijamon Parakil was selected to represent the CISCE Under-17 basketball team to participate in the SGFI tournament.
Our chess wizards who have attained prestigious FIDE ratings are Aditya A. Chullikad with a FIDE rating of 2,358, Leo Sanish with 1,776, Angelo Lijo with 1,604, and Eric Sanish with 1,578.
James Augustine and Paul Kurian Kicheril participated in the Under-19 and Under-17 category of CISCE National Basketball Championship held at Meerut.
Agnes Maria K., Joanne Renish, Seren Sujomon Parakal, and Devananda C. Baiju participated in the Under-17 category of CISCE National Basketball Tournament held at Gorakhpur.
Our students participated in the basketball tournament held at Christ Vidyaniketan School, Irinyalakuda, in the CISCE Regional Basketball Championship.
Our Under-17 girls emerged winners. Under-17 and Under-19 boys won the second position in the CISCE Zonal Basketball Tournament at St. Patrick's Academy, Angamali.
Our student formed part of the Under-14 Ernakulam district team in the Kerala Cricket Association Inter-District Tournament.
Our school bagged the third prize in the overall chess in school competitions.
Our student bagged the first prize in free hand and ball in the Kerala State Gymnastics Championships.
Our student won the gold medal in the 34th Ernakulam District Kalaripayattu Championship. Competitive exams.
Our students continue to participate in competitive scholarship exams held by SOF, Science Olympiad Foundation. Our students also participated in Infinitum 2025 quiz prelims organized by NIT Kozhikode. Our students were selected for the state-level competitions conducted by SIP Abacus Arithmetic Genius Contest 2025. Spiritual guidance.
To instill spirituality in students, a holy mass is conducted every first Friday for Catholic students, while a non-Catholic meet is held for the others. The annual retreat for the students was conducted on 10th and 31st October 2025. Study tours.
Our students visited Palyam Palace, Chocolate Factory Nadavattam, the Alawa Police Station, the CUSAT Science Park, Kalamasheri, Alawa Fire Station, and Mithradham, Chunnagamveli to gain practical experience. Picnics.
Once a year, the Jeevasians explore and enjoy themselves by traveling to various exciting destinations. Grade 12 went to Mysore, Grade 10 to Greenberg Resort Idukki, and Grade 9 to Mona. Book fairs.
To facilitate and encourage the habit of reading, a book fair was held in the school by DC Publications. Enrichment programs.
An orientation for parents of Grade 1 students was conducted on 4th June by Mrs. Saumya K. Mani, student counselor.
A career orientation was organized for the commerce students of classes 11 and 12 by Dr. Varghese Joy, Rajagiri College of Social Sciences, Kalamasheri.
An orientation was conducted to guide students and parents of Grade 10 Science and Commerce batch in selecting their future academic paths.
An orientation on stress management and strategies for exam preparation for classes 10 and 12 students was held by Dr. Kathleen Ann Matthew, Clinical Assistant Professor, Amrita Hospital on November 5th.
A career guidance session for parents and students of Class 8 was conducted on 15th November by Mr. Praveen Kamalamma, Career Counselor. Orientation for teachers.
An orientation on the CMI Vision and Mission led by Reverend Father Sunny Punneli Parambil CMI was held for the teachers on 26th May.
An orientation for teachers was held on 28th May by Mr. Praveen Kamalamma, Career Counselor, on empowering educators to transform classrooms.
An orientation for teachers was held on 29th May by Mr. John Augustine and Sister Shaija SD, Kriba Center, Chunnagamveli, on learning disabilities faced by children.
Our school bus drivers attended a training conducted by the Motor Vehicle Department for Education Institution bus drivers.
Our teachers participated in the CMI Education Convention organized on October 2025 at Rajagiri Engineering College and performed a beautifully blended Kathak and Garba dance.
Let us move forward with hope in our hearts and determination in our minds. With this, we conclude the Annals 2025-26. Thank you.